you thankful for the promise you have kept and every need you met. Lord, I'm so grateful you were with me every step. Lord, I will not forget. When I think of how you blessed me,